Are you thinking about adding access to the side of your shipping container? Want to install a roll-up door and wondering how it's done? Here at The Container Guy, we fully switched over to using Container Modification World's structural roll-up door framing kit. This kit is so easy and so slick to install, doesn't burn any paint on the side of the container, and you can do it in a matter of an hour. Don't believe me? Stay tuned. I wanted to show how quickly these kits install in a video, so I instructed the staff to go buy an analog clock, hang it in the background, and see how fast they could install a roll-up door. I was hoping 2 guys could do it in 2 hours, so when they came and told me 55 minutes, I was blown away. Then, only later when I watched the video footage, I realized William and Josh also installed 2 Big Air 45 vents, which realistically take 5 minutes each. That's nuts. Another dealer of these roll-up door framing kits asked me how long it takes us to perform the installation. My estimate was 3 hours for 1 person to install the frame and 1 hour for 2 people to install the door, for a total of 5 hours labor, and even I was way wrong. Josh and Will proved here that they can do it way faster. To put this into perspective, our roll-up door installs used to take 3 days and our quality was horrible compared to the way that we do it now. We would have to buy 2x3 rec tubing, cut it on the bandsaw and miter the corners, square and weld the frame together, cut the rough opening, grind all the paint off, grind all the welds flush at the bottom, stitch weld the frame to the corrugations, weld the threshold plate to the bottom channel, or in this instance, reinforce it. Once the frames were finally installed, if we weren't painting the entire container, we would have to tape off a straight line about 4 inches away from the frame, then paint all the bare steel and let dry. The next day, we would paint over the primer and let that dry, and then finally on the 3rd day, we'd hang the roll-up door. As for quality, the entire industry never sandblasts or removes the mill scale off the rec tubing, which I now have learned this is bad, wrong, and evil. Any of my competition's roll-up doors, and even my own installed this way, are usually rusty and ugly after 2 to 3 years. The Container Modification World roll-up door kits we now use foster an installation method that doesn't cause premature rusting and will ensure your door lasts as long as your container. We never expected this product to be a do-it-yourself kit, but turns out you can do it yourself and we can ship it to you. So if you're interested in buying this and install it on your own shipping container, please email us at parts@thecontainerguy.ca. And I also imagine all my competition, this idea is going to make you giddy. So if you want to sell this, you can reach out to Container Modification World, check out their website, containermodificationworld.com, apply to be a dealer and sell these sweet products. The purpose of this channel is to educate the public and make sure that everybody's doing things better. And so I don't mind giving away these little secrets that we call our own and make sure that all of our competition North America wide are doing things properly. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notification. I'll be sure to give away a lot more secrets. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.